Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get wool in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. First of all, you're going to create your own workbench. To do so, open your inventory, then create your first workbench, which you can do by having 4 tree logs and 3 stones. Once you do so and place it right here, open it, and then from here you're going to go to the crafting section and you're going to create a farmer's workbench, which is going to be in one of these options. Once you create a farmer's workbench, which is going to be right here, you're going to place it wherever you want. So we have it right there. Once you have that done, then click on it. And as you can see, the first one right here, crude shears, which you're going to create by having 1 iron ingot. You can get iron ingots by mining for iron ores and then using a furnace to transform that iron ore to normal ingots, as you can see right here. Once you have that done, you go to your workbench or farmer's workbench, click on it, craft it, and once you craft it, now you will have it. As you can see, once we get rid of anything in our inventory, now just approach whatever sheep you would like, such as this one that's running away, and then just right click and there you go. Now you have wool that has fallen, and so just throw whatever you have in your inventory and then collect that, and don't collect the poop. And there you go, now you have wool scraps. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.